Hello and welcome to another episode of Noosa For Sale. I'm Alex Harris and this is the beautiful 15 Pipeline Avenue, Peregian Beach. This immaculate 4-bedroom home ticks all the boxes, so close to the beach, but without the beach price tag. The smart floor plan of this spacious single-level home flows out to a fully covered extensive alfresco area with servery from the kitchen for easy entertaining and lazy days by the pool. Refurbished to a high standard, it has new carpet and vinyl plank flooring, with new curtains to the living zone, and it's freshly painted throughout. The addition of solar panels and artificial turf to the side underscores the low-maintenance, low-cost nature of the property for the busy professional couple or young family, or retirees enjoying all that the Noosa area has to offer. Featuring 8.8 kilowatts of solar power, a 6 metre by 2.8 metre saltwater swimming pool, aircon and ceiling fans, raked ceilings, engineered stone benches, 900ml gas cooktop, all an easy stroll to park and cafe with easy access to the motorway and a 15-minute drive to Noosa. This lovely, light-filled home offers easy living and a great investment for future capital growth in what is a rising market. So if this home speaks to you, speak to me. I'm Alex, 0412 635 274.